very surprised that she's taken a long walk over there. This is their first time out in the kitchen. Normally, they stick together or they're hesitant to travel too far. So this is a very confident group of pups. And I like that. Gemma. Gemma, come on. Hello. So I sent in for their AKC litter registration today. Actually did both litters. You know what? Christy was supposed to call me today for the insurance for the other litter, and she didn't. I hope they're okay, because they were going to take a cruise a couple of weeks ago.
Who was?
Christy from Nationwide. Her and her mom were going to take
Right
one. No, I think that they didn't shut anything down at that time.
Crazy.
It was just going to be one of those day cruises or whatever, you know. But still, you couldn't pay me to walk over to the dock to take a look at a ship right now. But anyway, it's odd that I haven't heard from her, so I guess I better call her. She normally calls when we set it up for a reminder. Hello, Gemma, you're just walking everywhere. Hmm? Hello, babies. Hello, boo-boos. Hello. What, Georgia? What? Did you finally come and see me? You didn't have time to come see me, huh? Where is she? That's Gemma. I can't. There she is. She was trying to run on this floor. She wasn't doing too bad. What was that? My photography is awful. Okay, well.